Yes, hello everyone. Hope you have an amazing day. Today I'm going to show you how to cut an audio on Audacity. So the first thing you need to do is you need to select the respective portion of any part that you want to cut, and then go to clip boundaries and split new. When you split it into new, it's gonna give you a small gap here that you can use it for any kind of purposes. But anyhow, you're gonna get the gap, and then yeah, you have it. In other ways, if you want to do it, for example, because in Audacity, if you cut, for example, this part, if you cut, you can either go to the edit menu and go to straight. You can go and just cut, copy, paste, or maybe even you can even you can cut it. So here, let's say you want to delete it. Just press the delete button, and it's just gonna delete the part, but at the same time it's gonna join all the parts together. In this kind of cases, sometimes people don't want this, and sometimes even you don't need all the parts to be combined together, but you just want to delete it. So that is the easiest way on how to delete it without having any complications, and you can still use the part that you've deleted for other purposes. So yeah, that is all for today, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Alright, till next time. See you later.